This 2025 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 241 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, smoke detector, TV antenna, LP detector, TV, self-contained, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 241 BHS is 5,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.